Frankie's sick.
Frankie's sick. And I'm about to go do a garden update.
Yep. And I'm on mom duty.
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup and boiling some noodles right now. And she's eating crackers.
I kind of want some chicken soup, actually.
I
The whole
didn't-
house smells like chicken soup.
I know, but I didn't make you any.
She made a pot of chicken soup. None of it's for me.
Well, I made a pot for my friend that just had surgery, and then I just kept a little bit for Frankie because she loves my chicken soup. Little did I know she was going to come home from her friend's house this weekend and be pukey. So.
Let's go check out the garden. All right. See what's going on out here. So, it's been quite wet. Had a lot of rain lately, last few days, but that's cool. We could always use rain. So let's take a look here. These are the tomatoes right here. And over here we've got some more tomatoes. Back here we've got our I've had some kind of varmint's been getting at my snap peas. I'm not exactly sure what kind of critter's been getting in here, but for some reason there aren't very many snap peas on the vine. I don't know what's up with that. My bush beans down here are doing real nice. Got a couple of big sunflowers in here. More tomatoes. I actually harvested some garlic out of here and planted a couple more tomatoes in there. I've got my elephant garlic here, which is actually in the leek family. And artichokes are doing great. Got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bunch of artichokes on there. This right here is all Brussels sprouts, a whole bunch of them. I'm excited about that because we love Brussels sprouts. Over here we have onions, and behind that collard greens. And along this fence right here, I'm growing some pickling cucumbers. So those are starting to kind of vine up now. So I'm doing my peppers this year in pots, and the idea is that in the wintertime when it gets cold, I'm going to take these pots inside, and hopefully they'll act like a perennial, and I'll be ahead of the curve next spring. So I don't know if you guys remember from a previous video, I did all my tomatoes this year from seed that I ordered from M.I. Gardner, and I got to tell you, I'm really happy with how they're doing. The tomatoes are doing great, and everything else is doing great as well. So there's just a little quick garden update for you. And I skipped over a few things, the zucchini and the fruit trees and the radishes, but we'll get those on the next one. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we appreciate y'all hanging out with us at the Crouch Ranch.